Yeah, it's been a while. Gotta warm up. I'm a little on the sloppy side.
Does my hair look okay?
You're good. Do I need to be back here?
You do.
Oh, gee, sorry. Forgot to take that off. Get yours at brasshall.com.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Brass Hall for another bartender session. I'm Wolfman and I'll be your bartender.
Hey y'all, it's Candace again from Brass Hall. Good to see you.
Welcome back to Brass Hall for another bartender sessions. I'm Eric, or as some friends know me, the Margarita Guy. You know who you are. So you'll understand why they call it liquid marijuana, but there's another reason. That color right there. Isn't that gorgeous?
Shake it up real good.
And I'm gonna use a straw to pour the Baileys in there, which is basically gonna diffuse it and slow down it rushing into the glass. Oh, I messed that up. And this is the tricky part. I need to get the butter, or the, So now, move this here, get a little better angle. Now the goal here is to add the Baileys slowly enough that it doesn't mix. I think it's the nozzle.
It's the what?
I'm gonna take the Baileys, and the goal is to not put it in here too fast. So I always kind of go off the side. Let it slowly fill. Once you get a good layer, be a little bit more rough with it. But there we go.
There you go. That is an Irish trash can. Prepare to get trashed. Oh! That was a pathetic howl.
What did you say?
I said that was a pathetic howl. I can do another. I can do another one right now.
No, yeah, do one.
Oh!
And there you have it. Peanut butter and jelly, baby.